Hello guys, welcome back to this channel Berani Belajar, kalian harus berani. Ya, udah malam ternyata coy. Kita masuk ke unit 19, present tense. I am doing or I do for the future. Ingat ya, for the future. Oke. Present continuous, I am doing with a future meaning. Kita langsung aja ke bagian A ya. Misalnya, this is Ben's diary for next week. Oke, ini diary Ben untuk minggu depan. He is playing tennis on Monday afternoon. He is going to the dentist on Tuesday morning. Kemudian he is meeting Kate on Friday. In all this example, Ben has already decided and arranged to do these things. So, ini dia list si Ben untuk diary-nya untuk minggu depan. Oke. Kita masuk I'm doing something tomorrow misalnya. I have already decided and arranged to do it. Oke. A. Contoh yang pertama ya. What are you doing on Saturday evening? Karena kita udah decided sama arrange, jadi kita bilang what are you doing on Saturday evening, not what do you do. Oke. Jawabannya I'm going to the cinema, not I go. Karena udah udah diplankan, udah decided. Nah, kemudian contoh 2. Yang A, what time is Catherine arriving tomorrow? Jam berapa sih Catherine sampai besok gitu kan? 10:30. We're meeting her at station. Jadi kita jumpain dia di stasiun gitu ya. Kemudian I'm not working tomorrow, so we can go out somewhere. Aku nggak kerja nih besok, jadi kita dapat pergi keluar. Kan? Kemudian Steve isn't playing football next Saturday. Si Steve itu nggak main bola kaki Sabtu depan. He's hurt his leg. Kakinya sakit gitu ya. Kemudian kita nggak biasa menggunakan will to talk about what we have arranged to do. Contohnya, what are you doing tonight? Not what will you do. Karena udah kita arrange, kita nggak pakai will gitu ya. Jadi kita pakai misalnya what are you doing tonight? Not what will you do gitu ya. Kemudian Alex is getting married next month, not will get. Nah, ingat ya. Jadi will itu kayak jarang dipakai untuk yang sudah terarrange gitu ya. Kemudian we also use the present continuous for an action just before you start to do it. Jadi kita menggunakan present continuous untuk aksi just before. Just before itu kayak sesaat sebelum you start to do it. Kita mulai melakukannya. Misalnya this happen especially with verbs of movement. Go home, leave. Nah, jadi itu biasanya lebih ke yang kata kerja yang ada pergerakan ya. Contohnya go, come, leave gitu ya. Contohnya I'm tired, I'm going to bed now. Good night. No, I go to bed. Not I go to bed now. Jadi kalau misalnya dia sebuah aksi pergerakan sebelum kita melakukannya, itu kita pakai si present continuous ya. I'm going to bed. Good night. Nah, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Good night gitu. Tina, are you ready yet? Not yes, I'm coming. Not I come. Nah, karena itu tadi ya. Just before you start to do it. Nah, biasanya lebih kayak ada pergerakan gitu kan. Misalnya apa lagi ya? Ya banyak sih, pokoknya setiap I'm going dia bisa I'm going to eat, I'm going ini gitu ya. Kemudian present simple I do. Tadi kan present continuous ya. Yang B adalah present simple in the future meaning. Yang ini adalah present continuous with the future meaning ya. Yang present simple I do. We use the present simple when we talk about timetables, jadwal and programs. For example, transport and cinema times. Jadi kayak udah udah terjadwal gitu ya, udah pasti gitu dan berulang-ulang terus gitu ya. Contohnya I have to go, my train leaves at 11:30. Nah, oke, ini emang udah jadwalnya gitu kan, timetables. What time does the film start tonight? Enggak what time is the film starting tonight? Nah, jadi nggak pakai, jadi does start. Nah, this meeting is at 9 o'clock. Nah, karena udah terjadwal ya 9 o'clock gitu ya. You can use the present simple to talk about people. To talk about people if their plans are fixed like times table. Jadi udah kalau kita berbicara orang, about people, jadi kita bicara tentang orang yang dimana plannya itu, rencananya itu udah fix like a timetable, udah jadwal gitu, terjadwal. Like I start my job on Monday, pasti ya, karena udah pasti selalu Monday. What time do you finish work tomorrow? Karena jadwal finishnya itu selalu sama, harusnya setiap ini jadwalnya, maka atau dia udah seperti timetable, udah fix, maka boleh kita pakai si present simple ini. Present simple, oke. But the continuous is more usual for other personal arrangement. Jadi contoh, what time are you meeting Kat tomorrow? What time do you meet? Nah, biasanya kayak gitu ya. Kalau personal arrangement itu continuous more usual for other personal arrangement. Oke. Misalnya compare. What time are you arriving? What time does the train arrive? Gitu ya. Kemudian I'm going to the cinema this evening. The film start at 8:15. 8:15. Kemudian when you talk about appointments, lessons, exam, extra, you can I've got. I have an exam next week. I've got an exam next week. Nah, boleh ya. Kalau talk about appointment, lesson, exam itu boleh. Dan tadi ya present continuous, dia itu lebih ke doing something. I have already decided and arranged to do it. Nah, will, tapi kita nggak pakai. Kemudian present continuous, aksi yang mau kita mulai gitu, just before you start. Biasanya untuk yang verbs ada movement, pergerakannya. Kemudian present simple itu untuk yang timetables and program udah apa. Kemudian about people if their plan fix and timetable, sama ya itu aja. Tapi kalau continuous ada juga untuk usual for other personal arrangements gitu ya. I'm going to, nanti bisa lihat 20-23, will 21-22, when and if unit 25. Kita masuk ke exercise ya guys. Exercise nih, kesenangan kalian nih. Exercise ke-19. Ask Anna about her holiday plans. Okay. Where are you going? Nah, Scotland. How long? Go for. Are you going for? Nah, 10 days katanya. When are you leaving? Kapan kamu pergi? Next Friday, Jumat depan. Are you going alone? Apakah kamu pergi sendiri? No, with a friend. Tidak, bersama teman. Are you traveling by car? No, by train. Oke. Apakah kamu pergian dengan mobil? Tidak, dengan kereta katanya. Where are you staying? Di mana kamu menginap? In hotel. Gampang ya, easy. 19.2, complete the sentence. Contoh yang pertama, Steve isn't playing football on Saturday. He's hurt his leg. Oke. We have a party next week. We've invited all our friends. Berarti we're having, karena udah jadwalin ya, we're having a party next week. Ini already decided and arranged ya kan. we're having a party next week. We've invited all our friends. Kemudian nomor 3, I not work tomorrow, it's a public holiday. Berarti ini udah pasti ya. I don't work tomorrow, it's a public holiday. Atau I don't work, I'm not working ya. It's a public holiday. Ntar. Ini I'm not working tomorrow so we can go. Berarti I'm not working ini. Sorry ya. I'm not working tomorrow, it's a public holiday. I leave now, I've come to say goodbye. Berarti I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. Kemudian number 5, what time? Udah ini ya, this evening 7 o'clock. This evening udah terjadwal juga ya. Times table. What time are you going? Kasih tetap ini juga yang lebih tepat. Laura not come to the party tomorrow, she isn't well. Laura is not coming, isn't coming to the party tomorrow, she isn't well, dia nggak sehat. I love New York, I'm going there soon. Ben can meet us on Monday, he's working late. Tapi rata-rata ini pakai yang ing semua ya. Kemudian 19.3, have you arranged to do anything at this time? Write a sentence about yourself. I'm not doing anything this evening. Tomorrow morning. I'm going to swim tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening. I'm going to watch Netflix tomorrow evening. Next Sunday. I'm going to the cinema. I'm going to go to the cinema next Sunday. Another day or time. I'm not doing anything this morning. Oke. Kemudian 19.4, complete sentence, use the present continuous atau present simple. Present continuous atau present simple. Tina, are you ready yet? Nah, yes, I'm coming. Nah, some party yesterday. Berarti are you going? Okay. No, I haven't been invited. Hashtag move. Susah, adalah baca sendiri lah ya, ngertiin sendiri ya guys. Has Jack moved into his new apartment yet? Not yet, but he's moving He's moving soon. Kemudian I go to concert tonight. I'm going to a concert tonight. That's not what time. Nah, it start what time? What time does it start? Gini ya. Okay. Have you seen Chris recently? No, but we're meeting for lunch next week. Okay. Do you berarti ini pakai ing ya. Are you doing anything tomorrow morning? Nah, no, I'm free. Why? Number 7, when? Nah, this term end. When does this term end? Okay. Next Friday and next term starts. Okay. We go to wedding at the weekend. We are going to go. We are going to a wedding this weekend. Really? Who's getting married? Siapa yang menikah gitu ya. There's football on the TV later tonight. Are you watching? No, I'm not interested. Aku nggak tertarik. What time is your train tomorrow? What time is your train tomorrow? It leaves and arrives. I'd like to go and see the exhibition at the museum. How long is it on for? It finishes next week. Do you need the car this evening morning? Apa kamu butuh mobil malam ini? No, you can have it. I'm not using it. Okay. Kelar guys. 19 dari 145. Semangat semua, keep learning guys.